Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's nice to have you. And this is a continuation of our introduction to ArcGIS Pro interface, where the goal of this video and series of other videos that I'll be doing, the goal is to just give you a hint or just give you an overview of different aspects of the ArcGIS Pro interface. And we already made a video on project, and then I made the first part of the first divided map into two, which is the clipboard navigate and layer in former video, and then this video would be working on the remaining aspect of the map the map tab. And so let's get right into it. So having showed you already how to add data, I would also need to add data to be able to show you how you could work with these at least selection. Then I'm gonna add the US county, and I'm gonna just make this WGS Mekara and zoom in, particularly, let's see, and then just zoom in. And so the select, it's when you click on the select gives you the option, to select a particular file and kind of remove it. You could also remove it or create a new file from the selected file. So that's the power of select, and it has different, you could choose to select a particular line and whatever you want to do. In this video, now we have like rectangle, and I'll just like, with select clicked, you can be able to click different counties here, and that would select. And and if you want to clear that out, you come here and clear it out, so it clears out. And if it's a table, like when I open the table format of this and then I select, it also reflects in the table. One of the few things I would also want to show you here, you've seen how select works, and let us select by attribute, and I impute what we have here as my impute role, and then new selection, and um, oh, I'm gonna try that again. I think something that I did earlier. So okay, there you go. So we imputed the layer, the input here, which is the county, and then this is a new selection, and then we're gonna say where name is equal to um these are a whole lot of expressions that you can add, is equal to, and with a whole lot of expressions you are like you are availed to use. Then I'm gonna say is equal to, gonna give me a whole lot of counties, but I want, let's say I just want to see Highlands County. That's the county I want to select, and I'm just gonna click apply, and then that's okay. So it highlights Highlands County. So with an S, there's also another Highland County, I think somewhere in Ohio, um, if I'm right. So this is the power of selection. I'll select two here. Now you could also use these and come here and say, you know what, I want to select this, make this out of the existing layer. So now I just select just that layer. So it kind of gives you a way to sieve out or kind of manipulate data and get what you want from a particular data set, instead of working with the whole data set. So you can now work with just a particular in this case, a particular county. So that's also the power of select. And I'm gonna go and remove these. And also, you can also select by location. You can see the attribute tables and zoom in, and also clear selected files like we have here. And so that is it. You could also try and then select by location. Um, so select by location. You could also say intersect or within a distance of, let's say, 500 meters. Okay, so it gives us the counties within a particular distance of 500 meters. So from the selected file. So these are the kind of things that you can be able to use the select tool to do. And then you can always go clear and then just see the tables, attribute tables for those files. And you can see all of them here. So I'll just go back again. And then this is also used to measure areas of distance, an angle. You could click on them and always, you could click on them and get clicked on them. But so you could select which of them you want to work with, and you know just measure distances from one place to another. If you say mile and then you want to walk from this particular place, so it shows you the mile. So these are kind of stuff that you can be able to do in the map interface. And then also the infographics, if there is a particular data set associated with a particular place, you can be able to view that. It could show you if there is any display. It could show you um different things about that particular area. Now, in this case, it shows you, different things about highlands, and more like the same for other counties that are close by to, different things for Marion. So these are things you can do. And the locate gives you the opportunity to search for a particular place. Let's say I don't have an address, but like I'm just gonna make one of 334 um Bear Road. So I'm gonna enlarge this and we'll see. So 334 Bear Green Road. So that's an address. I just randomly selected the address, but it's gonna take you to that particular place. That's the whole idea of locate. So it's gonna take you to that particular area. It's Iowa, and then you can see Iowa here. So it's just an address that just came off my head, and then I ran with it. And these are some of the stuff that you can always do. You can choose to convert coordinate. I haven't used this quite, um, but you could choose to make some changes, I believe, and also add some in a particular place, and be able to put a point in a particular location and make some changes and always clear them all. You can as well import your coordinate conversions. It might be something to look much more into more. And there we also have like labeling if you want to pause your labeling. If you also want to draw labeling that could not be placed, and see some other varieties of stores here. And as well, download the map and you know see how it looks. So there are a plethora of things you can actually do here, but I hope this gives you an insight into the and a little bit of explanation into what the map interface entails in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.